Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, welcome back to video number 2. This is actually not day number 2. I actually couldn't make the movie yesterday. Yeah, I know. I'm really sorry, guys. Life got me really busy, and I just couldn't make the movie yesterday, so I didn't get to it. And here we are. Now this is day 3, so the update on the profit on Bankroll is going to be for day 3, not day 2. So we missed a day, and I did a little bit of things yesterday, but that's all right. It is what it is, right? First of all, I want to say that I'm really sorry about the camera quality yesterday. It was really bad, or 2 days ago. I didn't know about it till it was done recording, so I can go back and change it. But I'm pretty sure that I have that fixed now, so I'm pretty sure that you're gonna get a much better recording, and the lips should be a lot better with syncing. All right, so let's jump right into it. I'm sure that you guys just want to see how much profit I have made, but before we get there, I want to tell you that I'd really like if somebody is gonna join me on this making money thing, they should jump in it right away here. Don't wait too long. Just put a little bit of money, because it's the interest compounds. So it takes time to start compounding. So the sooner you get in, the sooner the interest can start compounding for you, and the sooner you can get a bigger payback. Right. So that's what we want. So get in there right away, and if you're going to go through Bankroll, you need an invitation code. So please use my invitation code. I would love to see my number jump up to 1. If you're going to follow along or jump in this, please leave a comment below as well. I'd love to see some comments about people that are going to be joining along with me on this, trying to make some money. There's a good 365% APY on this, so it's a good return. It really is. If you just drop $100 in it, just watch it go out. Let's jump into the website right now, and I'm gonna close Discord so it stops making that beeping noise. All right, so we're gonna go ahead right now, and we're gonna jump into the website, and here it is. The website. So this is what the website looks like when you go to it. I'm gonna make a how-to video right away here, guys. So anybody that wants to follow along, you just watch my how-to video, how to join the program and stuff, how to start making money with this crypto. You want to make some money with this crypto, right? So you got to join this right now, guys, for real. It's paying out. It's paying me out. So this is what I'm in right now. So I put money in a little bit in all of them, but I got this is the flow one I'm in. So I got $3 that I've made since I last looked into it. I did roll this already yesterday. Like I said yesterday, I forgot to make a video, or I got too busy, so I didn't make a video. So this actually accumulated a little bit more than yesterday. What was yesterday? Let's see how much we had the last video that we made here. Let's see how much we had on the last video. So in the last video, YouTube Studios, here we go. So it looks like on the last video I had 1,413. So now I got 1,432 Banker X money into there, and that money that's in there is locked in there forever. So I can't get this money back. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna roll this $3 that I got here back into this money that's here into these Banker X, so that I earn more interest, so that every day I earn more interest. Now this $3 I earned that. When did I roll? I think I rolled this morning. So I earned this $3 in pretty much 12 hours on this $400 of deposit that I put in there, and I can never get back, right? But the more I roll this back into this money here, the bigger this number is going to get, and the more interest I will get daily. Eventually, I will get a lot of interest daily, where I won't roll all of it back, and I'll be claiming some of it out, right? So you guys really need to get into this program now. I'm telling you, the sooner that you get in here, the sooner your interest can start compiling, and the sooner you can get some money. Even if this is a scam type thing, you can your money goes back to your wallet, right? So it doesn't, like, once you start earning enough interest and you're claiming some of it out, it goes to your wallet. It's real money, like, if it crashes in 6 months, well, all right, but just make all use of it right now, like, use all of it that you can, make as much money as you can from this program as you can right now while it's paying out. So really get into it now while you're still paying out, while there's still a chance of making some money. You don't have to deposit lots. Just deposit $100. Yeah, $100 of TRX in here, and you gotta use an invitation code, or else you can't join the program. So make sure you use my invitation code. And as you can see, this has just been going up ever since we've been talking here. So now I have 10 Baker X that I can re-roll. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-roll, and just every time you do something on this website, it's gonna sorry, it's gonna minus Tron in your wallet. So you got to make sure that you have a little bit of Tron in your wallet to do the transaction to start off with. And also, you don't want to roll every like 5 minutes, because then it's going to cost you a lot of Tron to do the transactions all the time. So you got to let it accumulate a bit. Like I have $3 now, which is 10 Baker X. So there's 10 Baker X in there, and now I can roll it without costing me too much Tron for the transaction. So I left it like accumulating all day, so 12 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the roll button. And then this amount here is going to disappear, and this one's going to go up. And there you go. This amount went up. And I don't know if you noticed, but on the last video, our Banker X was worth $491. And now we have more Banker X, but it's only worth $420. That's because the Banker X price has gone down. But guys, that's because all coins have gone down recently. All of these coins have been going down. So the price of coin has been going down altogether. So has Bankroll. But it will go back up. Just like crypto, all these coins, they really fluctuate quite a bit. So it's expected that it'll go down and it'll go up. You just gotta make sure that you sell at the right time. When you want to exit. But if you're making a shit ton of money because you've been in this for a few months, and you're making like a couple thousands or whatever, it doesn't matter that they went down a little bit and that you might be losing like a couple $100. You're up a few thousand, man. I don't even care if I'm up a few $1,000s. I'm just happy. Period. So I really hope that somebody joins this program with me. I'd love to see this number go up to 1. So if you guys want to join the program again, please use my invitation code. If you have any problems, either watch my how-to video or just leave a comment. I will get back to anyone that leaves a comment here that needs help. Thank you guys.